Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming up today with my Creative Times 144th edition release. And today is the first day of our sneaky peeks, and I am going to start out by sharing this cute paper pad. It's very similar to one of the ones we had in the past, except for this one's called Christmas Ginger Kisses 2. And there's a couple things that's changed, like the scale of the images that are on the paper, as well as a few other things that she added into the paper. All right, so I'm going to just go ahead and start out sharing this. So the first page has like candy canes that are shaped in a heart. Hopefully you can see those. And then we have the gingham pattern here. This one's like snowflakes and a script background. Not sure if you can see that, but really cute paper there. I like that one. And then there goes another gingham background. This is very similar to the old pad, but the script is a little bit smaller, I do believe. I do believe. And then gray on the back side of that one. These little peppermints are definitely smaller than the previous ones, and I like that pattern so much better because it's smaller. I can deal with small. And then we have the green there, and I love this page. Has the little holly leaves there, super cute. And dark green there. And then on this one, the scale of the gingerbreads and the look like bells and stars. They're a little bit smaller than before. And then that one has the brown on the back, and then it repeats. Let me show you the items we're showcasing today. So we have the Pretty Scallop Large Prim Hearts, and those will be going with your large prim hearts. So this is what I used today. We also have the Santa bag, and you can see how that looks. This is a gift card holder, really cute. Love the bag. We also have holly plate dies, and this plate will be able to cut out 14 each, and as well as the layers. Then we're using the special delivery stamp set. Love the set, so cute. And as you can see, all of the items on there, love these. Hopefully you can see all of that. Okay, and then these are the items I use to make my projects. So we have the 3.75 by 4.75 add-ons, and I use both of these dies. This is how I created the frame. I just layered that in there and cut that out. You'll see that on my card. I made a treat box, so I used the Create a Treat bag. Stay Beautiful Stampin' dies. I'm using this right here. The Snowman die, Mr. Snowman that is, I'm using this here. And then there goes those large prim hearts that I was talking about using, and I'm just using this layer I want to say right there. Okay, and here are the items I created for you today. So we have a treat box that I created out of that Santa bag. Really, really cute. And as you can tell, I made it into a treat box there. Made it into a gift card holder, like I said. I added a holly there on the end. Oh, what fun, as you can see. And that came from the special delivery stamp set there. There goes the Create a Treat bag, and it fits perfectly in there. Really, really cute. Love the paper. This is my favorite paper out of that pack. Love that. And as you see, I used it again on this card, which is the 3.75 card dies, and layer dies. And as you can tell, this is where I cut that frame out. I just put that together, put it on the red cardstock there, and just cut it out to create a frame going around it. There goes some more holly leaves that I used there. Merry Christmas came from that special delivery stamp set. Here are the Pretty Scallop Prim Hearts that I used there. Really cute, elegant card. Love the touch of red there. And then there goes the inside. And then you can see how I also use that same technique to create the frame around the inside of the card. And then there goes some more holly leaves. And this came from that same stamp set, the special delivery. Really, really cute projects. Love them. Make sure you use my code MOE if you'd like to get 10% off your purchases for any specific day you choose. And then on this Friday starts the release at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It'll be 15% off your total purchase. All right, or you can use any of the other designers' codes. Make sure you use the links down below, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.